Today we are going to discuss equivalent ratios. So we have our base ratio of 1 to 2. You might be wondering, well, how do I find equivalent ratios? Well, you can do one of two different operations to find equivalent ratios, and that is multiplication and division. Right now, I'm going to show you how to use the multiplication aspect. So with our ratio of 1 to 2, we have the multiplier of 1, which anything times 1 becomes itself. Now, if we multiply this ratio by 2, we would get 2 to 4. When we multiply that base ratio by 3, we get 3 to 6. Multiply it by 4, we would get 4 to 8. And if we multiply it by 5, we get 5 to 10. So you would just use these multipliers and multiply it by that base ratio. But let's say you're given an example that is not a base ratio, such as 2 to 6. Well, we know that 2 and 6 can get broken down because they both can have a 2 taken out of them. So we can divide both of them by 2, and we would get 1 to 3. And 1 to 3 is now going to become our base ratio. So we multiply it by 2, we get 2 to 6. Multiply by 3, we get 3 to 9. 4, we would get 4 to 12. And 5, we would get 5 to 15. Now, this is one way to do equivalent ratios. If you have questions, please feel free to contact your teacher.